All right. The next tool in this series is going to be Google Doodle Archive. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, not what you're saying, what you're thinking. You might actually be saying it under your breath or to your neighbor. Aren't Google Doodles like the enemy? Because they're games and our students go to do work and then they go to Google and then they don't do the work because they stop on Google and then just play the Google Doodle. And you wouldn't be wrong per se, but there is actually a lot of really intelligent Google Doodles out there. And I don't know if you know this, but there is an archive where you can look them up. So if you, I did not change that header. I need to change that header. If you go to just Google and Google space archive, you will find the page where the archive is. I will show you in a moment. And the purpose of these would be, they could be a brain break option if you find one related to your subject area. I'm specifically going to show you one that should be of great interest to Spanish teachers for the fact that it's got interactive gameplay and it's specifically with a good cultural practice example, 3Ps within our state and national standards. So this would be of interest to students, of use to teachers, and good information for administrators to pass along. And the standard that it's going to apply is, again, for education leaders, 3.2a and 3.3b. So let's go take a look. It is not headspace.com for educators. It is googledoodle.com/doodles/celebrating loteria, which is the one that I'm going to show you today, which I think is super fun. But I'll delete that here on the cell because maybe not everybody's wanting the specific one. So this one I love, and you can go back and play them just as if they were when they were live. This one was to commemorate Loteria, which is a game that is traditionally played, and they have even all these pictures and good information about it. But let's go to the game. I want to show you how this plays. So if I go in here, there's still people that'll hop on and play this.
Loteria is a Mexican board game of chance. Let's learn how to play it.
So they have instructions that they'll give you if you need
When a
them.
card is dealt, look for the same card on your board.
I want to put the beans on the card when it starts to randomly draw. We'll skip the instructions and say random match. Inside or out. All right.
El músico.
El músico.
El gallo.
El gallo. Not yet.
La palma.
La palma. Don't have la palma.
El corazón.
Don't have el corazón. I am not going to win this game.
El emoji.
El emoji. Ya no tiene.
La escalera.
Escalera I have. So I just clicked on it.
El venado.
Venado I got.
La sandía.
Sandia I do not have.
El pino.
Pino.
El barril.
Barril no. And I'm trying to match the
La
middle or the
mano.
outside. Mano.
La concha.
No concha.
La pera.
Pera.
El
El mundo. Cool thing is students start like saying these out loud and like repeating them, and then they get really good at saying them.
El solo
El solo escuincle.
La corona.
La corona. Oh, one more.
La garza.
Come on.
La botella.
Botella.
El buscador.
El buscador. Search engine.
La
La
rana.
rana. Oh, I need that middle one. Come on.
El gorro.
Ah.
El
Yes!
violoncello.
Oh, I almost got. Oh, come on. Look at that. And it's like bingo. You have to hit that, and then you see win. Perfect. That worked so well for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the last episode.